Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is the reading for you January weekly and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what's going on Leo and what are the messages for you. Leo, what's going on and messages for you. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Wow, very good start. Wheel of Fortune, 8 of Wands, the Magician. Queen of Cups, King of Cups and 9 of Wands. The Chariot, 8 of Cups and 6 of Cups. So under the deck, 4 of Swords. Maybe you are not contacting, you are in no contact situation with your person. You are not talking to, especially with your person. You are undergoing some meditation or healing process. Yeah. And but you are thinking about your person a lot. 4 of Swords energy. Yeah. So let's see, you are not going to take any action. So let's see your recent past. So your recent past, Wheel of Fortune, 8 of Wands and the Magician. So the Wheel of Fortune with 8 of Wands, there is some communication was already happened between you and your person in recent past. But things are turning out in your favor. Because Wheel of Fortune with Magician, you are manifesting everything in your life. Some positive changes, some positive shift is coming in your life. Leo, for some, it already happening. For some, if not, it will be. Because Wheel of Fortune with Magician, you are manifesting something new in your life. Maybe money, career, whatever you want. Your wishes are going to be granted and something positive changes. From your person, some communication is also happening. So right now, what is going between you and your person? 9 of Wands, Queen of Cups and King of Cups. Yeah, they are coming back to offer this cup of love to you. King of Cups is here. Even though you have strong emotions for your person, you are guarded up. Because there is no equal give and take. Maybe one person investing a lot than the other person in this connection. And Queen of Cups with 9 of Wands. It's you. You are guarding up. Yeah. You are not available to them even though you have strong emotions for your person. Because you walked away from this connection, 8 of Cups. And you started something new in your life. Maybe new career. You are creating something new. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. And 6 of Cups with King of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Even though you also want sometimes reconciliation with your person, but you are holding back because you walked away. I think one part of you want reconciliation, but one part don't want. It's type on and maybe you are juggling between head over heart situation. But they are coming back for reconciliation, but you got it up, you walked away. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Princess of Cups, yeah, they are getting clarity. They have strong emotions for you. Leo, let's see your person current feelings. Yeah, maybe this is, I think your person also walked away. There is, maybe you both decided to break up. What I'm getting here, 2 times 8 of Cups. Yeah, they may be having options. That's why you walked away. 4 of Pentacles. Maybe they want to express their feelings this time. They're stuck on you. Definitely some spiritual awakening is going. They're thinking about you. But maybe they're fantasizing for some. Maybe for some they have options also. So take what resonate. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So their actions. Yeah, they want reconciliation and they want brand new beginning with you. The Fool card is here. Yeah. And Queen of Wands, maybe your person is fire sign. They stand by their power also. They are very attractive person maybe. And the world with Three of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation. The world, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Definitely they want reconciliation. Yeah, that's why they're stuck on you. They're thinking about you. Yeah, they want reconciliation but not taking any action, what I'm getting here. Yeah, there is passion involved in this connection, but they're thinking about reconciliation, but they will take action soon, because here King of Cups is here. Definitely they will come and in near future they will make action to offer this King of Cups, and they want reconciliation, and really they want they want to take leap of faith. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Lot of water energy, guys. Lot of. Yeah, your person is juggling. That's why. Yeah, but they will get clarity. They will get Hermit. Definitely your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. They may be isolated themselves from all and not talking to anyone. Yeah, then they will get clarity and they want second chance with you. And see a Knight of Cups, Justice. The person involved in this connection could be Libra also. Yeah, they want second chance, Leo, but it's up to you because you walked away. Yeah, they're still hoping for this second chance. For some, you also want reconciliation with this person. For some, you don't want to trust them again because Seven of Swords energy is here. This is very sneaky energy. Maybe they played games with you. Maybe this could be third party situation, miscommunication, false communication. The reason could be anything. Definitely, but they have love for you. King of Cups, they're coming back. They're coming back with offer. They want second chance. They're still hoping for this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Yeah, they will get clarity. They are going to be choose you. They're coming back for second chance because right now your person is juggling. But they will get clarity and they're coming back with offer. And this is very slow moving energy, guys. Knight of Cups. They're coming back but slow. But some of you are not trusting this person because in past they hurt you. Now I think they hurt you past but now want you back. That's why you walked away. Whatever the case may be, but they're coming back. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Leo. Empress, you stand by your power. You are very grounded. Yeah, you are also thinking about your person because the anxiety, depression. Ace of Wands with Five of Pentacles. Maybe in past they did not treat you well. But Ace of Wands, they want brand new beginnings with you. But you overcome this depression, you overcome this pain, and now you become like this. The Empress. You are very attractive and now you are very grounded. You are a very powerful person now. You overcome this pain. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. This is general, guys. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person overall energy. They really want to reconcile with you. Six of Cups and Page of Wands, Princess of Wands, communication. One person may be angry than the other person in this connection, and one person is very good looking. And Ace of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability. And Princess of Cups, yeah, they got clarity. They are going to be choose you, and they have emotions too. So a lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. So if you really know that your person is putting you in a third party situation, please don't give another chance. If there are only small misunderstandings between you and your person, then it's okay. See, let's see your card. Hold your vision. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, but you are not getting any results, but you are not seeing any results right now, this is the message from universe. Hold your vision. Okay, your dreams will come true. Be consistent towards your goals. Be consistent and do hard work, because this is the message from universe. Hold your vision. Yeah, your vision will come true. And another deck, the end of a tough cycle approaches. if you have any problem in life right now, that cycle is going to be end. And yeah, there are some cycles are going to be end right now. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.